I wanted to stop. I really did. But I didn't think I could. I was at that point where I'm done. My family's miserable. My friends are miserable. I'm miserable. It's just a lose-lose all the way around. And I didn't know a way. I tried treatment many times prior. It just wasn't working for me. You know, thank goodness that I wound up here in Bowman Gradient Journey Pure. When you get here, everybody on staff is in recovery. That is important because when you think your story, nobody understands it. More people than you think does understand every bit of it because they've been through it. Journey Pure was what treatment should be. Something happened here that I can't explain, but it changed me forever. My granddaughter is 6 and it was my first time I ever been to a party, her birthday party. Changed her life because it put me on the path to recovery, and it's starting to give us our family back that we once had years ago. Please reach out. There is help available. Don't give up.